Hi, and welcome to another episode of Tech Talk with Sierra Miles, where we talk all things technology and keep you up to date on the tech information that will best serve you. Sierra Miles is the premier IT service provider and technology partner here in Northern Nevada, specializing in healthcare, law, and small businesses. I'm here with Sierra Miles partners and founders, Brandon App and Tim Miles, and today we're going to be talking about our recent open house.
Hello. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. And I'm actually so glad to have Tim join us today and talk a little bit about our open house and kind of what a great event it was. We had such a great time. It was really nice to see all of our clients and really showcase our new spaces and, really kind of kick off the, hopefully the new year and new beginnings with Sierra Miles.
Yeah, absolutely. So I want to say, let's start off with why we were hosting an open house to begin with. So what recent changes has Sierra Miles seen to prompt this event happening?
So the biggest changes is that we've expanded our office spaces. We wanted to have more collaborative opportunities with both our clients and our staff members. So the biggest reason for the ribbon cutting and the new open house is that we just moved into a new space, and we're really excited to showcase that.
Perfect. And do you want to talk a little bit about the event? Let everyone kind of know what happened, what we were doing, some of the details.
Absolutely. So yeah, we had a great event. We had a bunch of food here. We were able to get some food from Liberty Food and Wine, which they always have the most delicious pizzas and food. We had a great dessert platter, if you will. We had some great cakes from Nothing But Cakes. And, I'm a big fan of candy. I love candy. And so I decided last minute to kind of throw together a little candy bar, and that seemed to be very successful. Everyone seemed to really like the different varieties of candies and things like that. So it was very great.
Yeah, absolutely. And it was really good to see some clients, some friends, some people that were kind of checking out Sierra Miles, having not known about us, some technology community. Was there anyone that you guys saw or talked to that was interesting to see?
Just connecting with the community, connecting with our existing clients. I think, Tim, you were able to kind of meet with and connect with some of our clients and things like that, right?
Yeah, I sure did. It was nice to see those guys come in and support us, and they really enjoyed their time here. And also seeing people that we have previously done business with, either bankers and loan officers and such, that came through to congratulate us. That was really nice.
Yeah, and I'm sure it was really like a full circle moment to kind of have these people that you worked with so long see this next step in the business and seeing how far we've come. So that's really great. A little bit about what we did. We had some vendor videos going on in the background. We had the Chamber of Commerce come out and do the ribbon cutting as well, which was really, really wonderful. They actually had some really great things to say. Do you have any comments about that, Brandon?
I'm just so happy to be a part of the Chamber of Commerce. I mean, what they give back to us, both as a business and the community, is just so important. And, to have them here to support us and, have the Chamber really kind of highlight this, important event for us was really, it really felt like we were part of the community, and it really felt like the community wanted us to be a part of them. So, having that and having, other businesses that we have not had an opportunity to chat with was always a great opportunity for these types of events. So we really enjoyed, the planning and sort of the announcements and things like that from the Chamber of Commerce. It's really a great partnership for Sierra Miles.
Absolutely. And it was interesting because they brought a lot of different people here that, otherwise didn't know about us. So it was a great way to kind of spread the word about our services and, like you said, be part of the community, do a lot of great networking. I know we had an iPad raffle, so that was really good in terms of, getting people to, exchange business cards, as well as, just have other people here that we maybe might not have seen. So I want to ask both of you. So Brandon, I'm going to start with you. What was your favorite part of the event?
I really think just seeing all the people and seeing the support from everyone. I mean, it really, there was a lot of work that went into making sure that all of the food and all of the things were set up properly. So, thank you, Bianca, for all your work with that. But my favorite part was really just seeing all the people and seeing, making those connections and letting others see sort of the business that we've grown and where we're at today. So that was really enjoyable to me. I really love connecting with people, especially on technology and business. I mean, I really do consider, the work that I do, a hobby of mine, and seeing the different businesses that we work with and seeing the type of work that they do and how Sierra Miles can integrate its IT services into that, and talking with people about that was really a big highlight for me.
Cool. Great. And then Tim, what was your favorite part of the event?
Gosh, the whole thing. I really enjoyed that candy bar. That was great. Love that. The sliders from Liberty Food and Wine was great. It was also just nice to reconnect with a lot of people I hadn't seen in years, and also meet some new faces. John, in particularly from Thompson's Garage Door. What a great asset he is to the community, and to come in and celebrate with us. It was great to get to know him.
Yeah, no, he's definitely a great time. I think for my favorite part, I think it was really nice to see all of our employees interacting with our clients. Because, we do so much work, behind a computer, behind the scenes remotely. So I think it was really nice to see like the clients and the employees like come together and really interact in that way. I thought it was funny. Like we had these back doors open over here and everyone's just kind of out here looking at the view, just kind of like hanging out. And it was like a casual, like, hey, like, thanks like for helping me all the time, even though like I never see you, but like, it was interesting because like we have so much contact with these people, and, we finally get to get in person and kind of just have like a casual hangout almost. It's not like, oh, my computer's broken. It's like, hey, this view is great back here, right? So I just thought that was really fun. Like you said, John from Thompson Garage Doors was really great. Just seeing him and like Tim L have like a really long conversations and stuff like that was really cool. Okay, let's talk about some of the special offers that we were offering our guests. Brandon, you want to talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So, we really, the biggest way that we get new business with here at Sierra Miles is by the referrals and our existing clients talking to us. So, we have a couple of promotions that we're offering right now. So if you are a current client with Sierra Miles, we are offering 25% off managed services if you are able to refer us to another business. So, talk to other businesses about what we do. We think that we do a pretty great job when it comes to IT services, especially for different industries, whether it be healthcare, construction, restaurants, retail. So if you are a current client and want to see a benefit by referring, business to us here at Sierra Miles, definitely take advantage of this offer. We're running it through the end of the year. And then, of course, if you are a new client onboarding with us at Sierra Miles, we're offering a 25% off discount through the end of the year for the first 3 months of service. So whenever you sign up, we're offering a discount and providing these services to really get you into the Sierra Miles technology services that we offer. So definitely reach out to us. Give us some of your information so we can follow up with you if you are interested, either as a current client referring another business or a business that just has never worked with Sierra Miles. Definitely reach out.
Yeah, exactly like Brandon said. Like, this is a great time if you've been considering these services, maybe you've been thinking about it. This is a great time to kind of get a consultation, see what we can offer you, and then get that benefit of 25% off for the first 3 months as well. Tim, any comments on that?
Yeah, I mean, just we're a great outfit, and I think a lot of people would be surprised to see what we have to offer the community here in form of technology and compliance and such. And please reach out. You'd be mildly surprised at what we do have to offer for you.
Yeah. Do you guys have any information about anyone considering or for anyone considering managed services at this time? Like, is there any, tips or tricks or things that you would say, any indicators in your business that managed services might make sense right now for some people that are kind of on the fence?
If you're working with your IT service provider and they're just really not responsive, or, you're really just looking for the next level when it comes to having an IT service provider, really we're more than just your contact for resolving any IT issues. We do take a comprehensive, proactive, planned approach for your business. So if you're looking for, an IT service provider that can really incorporate, planning and some other additional things to help grow your business, that's really kind of something that we offer here at Sierra Miles. So reach out to us if you're looking for that, and we'd be happy to chat with you.
Perfect. Anything to add, Tim?
Yeah, give us a holler. Unfortunately, we're seeing a lot more clients that do have IT help, but that IT help just didn't cut it for them. Seeing them have compromised systems and compromised emails, people will come to us and help. My other IT guy didn't, and it's unfortunate. But we're there to help and get them going and onboarding with them for sure.
Great. Yeah. Like Tim said, if you're kind of unsatisfied with your IT services right now, give us a call. If you just want to have a conversation about something that you're wondering about, we'd love to talk it through with you. And with that being said, I'd like to thank you for tuning in today for Tech Talk with Sierra Miles. If you'd like to listen to more episodes, you can find us on your favorite podcast platform. Stay connected with us on social media for more updates. And if you're interested in partnering with us or getting more information about Sierra Miles as your managed IT provider, please contact us at info@sierramiles.com or give us a call at 775-420-4224. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.